In this video, I want to talk about trend line. A lot of new traders now make some traders feel like trend line is not necessary, right? Some traders feel like applying trend line trading strategy is not effective, is not profitable. That markets will always break out to take liquidity. So I want to prove something here. You can see here, whatever guided me is this trend line. All right, I made this the origin of the trend, this the second touch, and once you have something like this, you need to drag it up. All right, when you drag it up like that, you see that market will come back to that point, and again and again. So you can see, as long as the trend, your analysis is right, you know the actual market direction, it will always respect it. Now you can see we had the first touch. We have the origin of the trend. You must always know the origin of the trend. You must start from the origin when the trend started pushing. Yeah, when the trend started pushing, so you must know the origin. This is where the market started, the trend started, then the second touch. So the first touch, the origin of the trend, the first touch. The third touch is your entry point, and the fourth, keep making your entry. You can see now the third point was where we made entry here, and I placed my exit quite below this level because I know that markets will want to respect this trend line and push up. You can see what happened. Market respected the trend line and started going up, and again back after breaking this level, back to this point, and then keeps going. It started going up again. So you see, trend line works every time. So don't allow anybody to deceive you, to lie to you that trend line does not work. It should abandon the old ways, the old strategies that we've been using. They work perfectly well. All right, so that's what I wanted to tell you guys. It's very necessary you use your trend line. It must not be your key strategy model, but it should be a backup, right? Backup for it to actually help you know the trend, the market trend, all right? How the market is moving, to control the trend, to know if there's a breakout or not, all right? So trend line is equally important for our trading. You can see this signal here. I gave it to the VIP guys and I gave it to the free guys. So a lot of free signals will be coming if you want to benefit. If you're looking for a place that you can grow a community, you can grow. Just check the description to join our free Telegram channel. And if you are looking for a good trader that can actually manage your accounts and a good community, you can chat me up. So that'll be all for now. Kindly smash the like button and subscribe to our channel. A lot of good contents like this will be coming.
Came with a plan in my palm. Small stack, big calm. You smile when the numbers move, then you flinch when the market turns. I read your face in the dust. I know when the pressure climbs.